Okay, we've used the speed cut, the wool pad, that's the first stage. Remove the wool pad, and then we go to a soft foam pad. Cut and polish 2-in-1. Really versatile polish. You can use it with a wool pad, it's got a certain amount of cut with the wool pad. If you use it with a foam pad, then that starts to remove all the oxidation, all the swirl marks and holograms you've put onto the surface. So that's really quite important to get the surface as slick and smooth as possible. Give it a shake. Small amount onto the sponge. Cut and polish 2-in-1 has got a different consistency to it, so it spreads. It goes a long way. So using the machine again, 1800 thereabouts. Usually one pass will do it. Again, microfiber cloth. Wipe down. Now we're really getting a really high gloss finish. And that's pretty much it for the two-stage, using the speed cut first, finishing off with the cut and polish 2-in-1. If you really want to go the extra mile, you can use the super gloss polish with the same foam pad to even increase the gloss further. So let's just do that. So that's the 2-in-1, that's the 2-stage. I'll do the 3-stage so you can see the full treatment. Okay.